Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. By vote, we're going to do the song "Oh Holy Night," and it's getting close to Christmas time. So perfect song, little lesson to do. Now, just a kind of a heads up, there's a lot of different ways to do this song, and there's some alternate lyrics here and there, and things get changed over time. And so this is a great, simple version of the song, and I'm going to show you a cool little rolling piano thing that's just going to sound beautiful, and you can use it for all kinds of different stuff. So God, we just invite you into this lesson today. We thank you for sending your son. Pray with the student wherever they are in the world. Amen. All right, like I said, this song is by vote. So if you want to be part of the list whenever I send out, when it's time to vote for songs, just go below and it says email list. And you just sign up for that. You also get some free cheat sheets, a little PDF about playing chord piano. So starting off, we're going to be in the key of A, and it's 6/8 time, which means we're counting in groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this particular way, I'm going to play the song, and you're just going up and down, boop, 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 down, and up and down, boom, 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 boom. So I'll walk you through each chord. We'll slowly go through the song, and it'll be your job to start memorizing these chords. And then at the end, we'll play and sing through this one verse of the song. And then if you want to do the other verses, you'll know how to do it. So starting off on A, we'll have A, E in the bass, A, C, E right here. And I find myself not playing this top note, but I'll just leave my hand over it. So I'll go, it's a C sharp. Sometimes I just say C, but know that I'm playing a sharp. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can even vamp on that to start the song before you start singing. Oh, holy night. And right on stars, we're going to switch to a D chord. So we have D, D in the bass, and then F sharp, A, D. Now, this is a different inversion of a D chord if you're new to this channel. So a regular D chord is D, F sharp, A, and you can put that in any order and it's still that chord. So we're doing F sharp, A, D. So those same 3 notes. This is going to allow us to keep all of our chords close together. So to the D chord, and I might even drop the top part of the chord too, or if you want to, and you're making decisions here, you don't have to play it like I do. You can go boom, boom, and then play 2 notes at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And make sure you're also using the sustain pedal on your keyboard, holding out each one of these chords so they have that nice big full sound. And you'll lift up and down the pedal every time you hit a new chord. Lift it up and down right when you hit the next chord is when the pedal needs to come up and down. The pedal. Sounds funny. All right, so D chord. Stars are brightly. A chord. Shining. It is the A chord again. Night of the dear. Now we're going to go to an E7. Dear. So we're going to go E, E, G sharp, and I'm going to play a B and a D together. All right. So a normal E chord would be this: E, G sharp, B, and the D is what makes it an E7. So that's how we're going. Oops, sorry. All right. Of course, you want your hands out like this, nice and curved as you play it. I'm just doing this so you can see, and it kind of hurts my hands sometimes. But as long as y'all can see on the video, I'm happy. All right, so that's your E7. Dear Savior's birth. Back to an A. Birth. Long lay the world. Long lay the world to a D. In sin and terror pining. Till he, then on appeared is when we switch to our G sharp, not G, C sharp minor. Again, it might seem like I'm going too fast. You need to pause it and work out these chords so that you can play through it. So just watch, write down the chords, use a pencil, whatever. Get all this stuff down, work it out, and you can play and sing it with me at the end. So here's our C sharp minor. C sharp's in the bass. Then we have a G sharp, C sharp, E. Of course, this is an inversion of that C sharp minor chord. Till he appeared, and here's the money chord. So, yeah, I love it. So it's a G sharp, major, G sharp, D sharp, and then we have a G sharp. Now you would call it a B sharp normally. I know it's a C, but for theory reasons, you would call it that. And then a D sharp here. B sharp, booger sharp. All right. So that's how that one goes. So felt its worth. Back to the C sharp minor. You're going to enjoy playing this song. It's so pretty. All right. And then E7, a thrill of hope. The A weary soul rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn fall. And F sharp minor, fall. And you might even want to make this so F sharp, and we have A, C sharp, F sharp. I found myself making it a minor 7, which just means you play the 7th here. So this would be the full chord. So if you want to do that, it'll sound real pretty. Fall on your, our C sharp minor chord that we've already done. Knees. Oh, here. Which B minor should I do? Here. Probably go to this one where B's in the middle there. B, B, F sharp, B, D. Hear the angel. Back to the F sharp minor, or 7 if you want to. Voices. To an A. Oh, night. Regular E chord. So instead of playing the D, now we'll just be here. Night, D. Now this is the only place where the rhythm kind of changes up, because we're going to do, so we're going to play an A major chord, our normal one, and then to make it a 7, all you got to do is drop this thumb down to G. So technically you would, a lot of people would keep the A in there and add that 7th. You don't have to. You can just forget the A. All right. So when you do the rhythm, I'm going to play it. So we're going to break it into 3s. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So when you're singing and playing, it's oh night divine. All right, let me do that again. Night divine. And And on the D chord, if you want to land on the D all together before you do the rolling part, and in fact, you can do that throughout the whole song if you want to, but I like to save it for when the song's getting like kind of bigger. Oh, night when Christ was born. All right, then you should know the rest of the chords through the rest of this. Oh, night, D. Then we do that quick groups of threes. Vine. Oh, night when Christ was born. All right, so just kind of walking you through this simple, real pretty way of playing this song. Again, if you can't move in between these chords flawlessly, you can't play it in time. So get that down first. Get to where you can look through all the chords, play through it, and then start working in playing and singing if that's what you want to be able to do. And take it, a few lyrics at a time, get it all flowing. See where the melody and your hands line up, like, oh, holy night. See where it lines up with the rhythm there, and it'll help you sing it. Holy night. Cool. So let's play and sing this thing together when you are ready. Here we go. We're just going to vamp on that A, which means just play it over and over again until we start singing. So I'll sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we'll start playing, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Here we go. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is a night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary soul rejoices, for yonder brings a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. If you want to even make the song bigger, always be like down octaves down here at the bottom. Holy night, the stars are brightly shine. And as you start to learn your different inversions of your chords, because all this is an A chord, A, C, E, A, C sharp, E, A, C sharp, E. Once you start to learn those different inversions, that's when you can shift things around. So maybe you're playing octaves, you want to shift what you're doing in your right hand. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. See what I'm saying? So you just take that little information about moving the notes around and creating your chords and take the time in, suffer through learning how to do that. And man, it's just going to be so good for you. All right. I hope you all enjoyed that lesson. Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. Make sure and sign up for the email list to vote. Never miss a vote. Get the songs you want to do. We'll talk to you later, Wade McNutt. Bye-bye.